Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I am going to discuss the questions of Chapter 3, Class 10 Computer Science, inserting images and tables in HTML5. So, first we'll discuss some questions which already came in HSLC examination. Here are the MCQ questions which are for 1 mark. Write the correct or incorrect statement as asked. Which of the following statement is true about IMG tag? It has 6 attributes. It has 8 attributes. So the first one will be correct, but according to the new book you will write 4 attributes. Number B, which of the following statement is true about cell spacing? The amount of spaces between the content of the cell and border. The space between cells of a table. Here number 2 will be correct one. Number C, which of the following statement is true for call span and row span? These attributes are only valid for tr tag. These attributes are only valid for td tags. Number 2 is true. Now fill in the blanks. The border attribute of IMG tag is used to specify the thickness of the border surrounding the image. Number 2, this statement is used to write text on the web page. This is from actually JavaScript, not from HTML. Document.write. Now number 3, the first question is, which of the following is not valid for align attribute in IMG tag? This will be center. Number B, format is the best suited for images. For transparent it will be PNG. Number 4, first one is center, next one is PNG. Number 4, the attribute specify the alternate text, it is alt. Number 5, which attribute specify the location of the image to be included on a web page? So number 5 answer will be src. Number 6, by which tag alt attribute is contained? So number 6 will be IMG tag. Then number 7, name the column in a table that contains particular information of all records. This is from MySQL chapter. Don't know why they are giving it here. So the answer will be field. Number 8, which tag specify the individual block or cell in a table? Number 8 will be td. This is also from chapter 4. Ratul want to set image pqr.jpg stored in my pictures folder in C as background of his web page. Write the HTML code to help him to do so. So we'll write here number 9 answer, style type text CSS. Then as we are setting background, so we'll write body, then curly bracket. Here we'll write background this image, then colon, here URL, inside bracket we'll write the address. So address is C/ the folder is my pictures, and the picture name is pqr.jpg. We'll close the quotation, bracket close, then curly bracket close, after that style close. It will be the answer for this question according to the new book. Number 10, Ramcharan want to display table in his center of the screen, with border of the table blue in color and thickness 6. Suggest him to write HTML statement. So this is not recording, this one is actually from the old book. Number 11, name the tag used to add heading boldface to the table. Not required, from the old book. Let us consider the HTML command. So this is the code. From here, question: if the images is not loaded in the browser, the text, picture and landscape will appear. So for this is question number 12. For question number 12.1, we will write means just img src equal picture dot jpg, then alt equal pictures of landscape. Picture and landscape, then quotation close, bracket close. So it will be answer for question number 1. Number 2, set the height and width of the image as 200 and 300 pixel respectively. So here only we will now write, instead of alt, height and width attribute. So height equal 200, width equal 300. Then number 3 question, the image has no border. For that we will write border equals 0. For number 3 we will write border equal 0. Then number 4, the image is right aligned, so we'll write here align equal right. Then number 5, set the source of the image as button.png. Just we'll change the src img src button .jpg. So these are the answers for question number 12. Again 12 is repeating. Question number is also wrong here. Consider the following. The same question. The source of the image is australia.jpg. Here half question is missing, and even it is from the old book, so I am not going to solve it. Number 13, Jaya want to create a list of items in her HTML web page. Suggest her to use the tag for it. So number 13 will be OL or UL, order list or unordered list. Number 14, Juhi has made a web page using HTML. She wants to set the position of the text in center. Suggest her to use the appropriate tag. Number 14 will be center. Number 15, Anu has written the following HTML code for setting relative size of the text, but this is not required, from the old book. Raju, this is also from the old book. Mona want to know Mona knows that default link is open in current window, but she want to open the link in another window. Write the HTML code to help her so that she will get the result. This is also from chapter 4, not from the 3, but still I am writing the answer. She will write this one, A HREF equal link, then target equal value, then name a close. So we will have to write the following code to get the desired result. Rina has written the HTML code as follow: a name, book information, so that the output. Here also the question is half, so not required. Here are some additional questions. The tag specify an image to be displayed on the HTML5 document. It will be img. src is an attribute of img tag. The vertical alignment property of td tag can have the value of all of these. The attribute of table tag that is used to specify the thickness of the border is this is not required. This is from the old book. Number 5. Which of the following is the best format? JPEG. The tag used to define a table, it will be table. Which of the following tag is define individual block? It is TD. The default value of empty cell property is, it is show. Which of the following property are used with TD tag? Text align, padding, vertical align, all of these. Which of the following is valid for align attribute of img tag? Which of the not valid? It will be center. Then number 11. Which of the following image tag is used to specify the URL? It will be src. Which attribute is used to display text in the image? It will be alt. What is the default alignment of data in a table? It will be left. Attribute that define the space between the cell is cell spacing. Take to call span, this is not required from the old book, but the answer will be TD. Which tag is used to add columns? It will be TD. Now fill in the blanks. The image format uses maximum 256 color combination of this to create more colors. This is number 1 will be GIF. Number 2. The src attribute of the number 2 will be img. Number 3, img is n. Number 3 will be empty. Number 4, the value of the height attribute of the image is specified in pixels. Or percentage. Number 5, arranges data in rows and columns. Number 5 will be table. Number 6, tag indicate that cell in header or a column or row. So number 6 will be TR. The tag indicates that the cell is a header of a column or a row. TH. Number 7, default value of caption site property is top. Number 8, the property specifies the space between border and the content of the cell. Number 8 will be padding. Number 9, the value of src attribute is case sensitive. Number 10, the property set horizontal alignment of text in a table. 10 will be vertical align. Directly align. GIF stands for graphical interchange format. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. And this and this tags are used to add row to a table. So number 13 will be TR opening and TR closing. Number 14, height and width of a picture can be specified with the img tag. Number 15, src is one of the attribute of element. So number 15, most web browsers support and format of images. So 15 you will write jpeg and gif, or png also you can write. Number 16, src is one of the attribute of img element. The default alignment of a data of a table is left. Number 17 is left. Number 18, attribute of img tag used to specify thickness of the border. 18, it will be border only. 19, td tag is used to add individual block. 20, to add heading to a table, use the th. The attribute of table tag is used to specify, this is not required from the old book. The attribute is used to specify the horizontal space around the image. It is h space, but I think it is from the old book. So 22 will be h space. JPG format contains 1 million color. Now true and false. If I am going to discuss the true and false also, the video will be quite long, so just you can see it from here, and if you find anyone difficult, then you can write in comment section. I'll tell the answer. So these are the questions for true and false. And here give the full form of GIF and PNG, graphical intersense format, portable network graphics. Expand the following. TD, it's table data. TH, it is table heading. What is the use of TH? It is used to specify the heading of a table. What are the values in which width and height property of a table can be given? Percentage and pixels. Which table property is used to specify the placement of a table caption side? Which of the following img tag is used to specify the vertical alignment of text adjacent image? This will be vertical align. Name the property used to set the vertical alignment of text of a table. Same, vertical align. Can you insert images in a table cell? Yes. Name the main tag used to define a table. It is table only. What value should be given to the border attribute to remove table border? Border equals 0. Name the attribute of table tag that is used to define background color. This is from old book, so not required. Which tag indicate the cell is header th? What is the use of height attribute? It is set the height of an image or table. What value of an align? What are the values? You will write left, right, center, top, middle, bottom, or left, right, center. Which tag you will define to define tr? Name the tag used to define title of the table. Caption. What is v space? It defines the vertical space around the image. Then write the difference between GIF and JPG. It's already in book. You can write what are the different values that can be given to the align attribute of table tag. You can write, first you write align, text align, left, right, center, then vertical align, top, middle, bottom. What is the difference between v space and h space? V sets vertical space and h sets horizontal space. What is the using of the following properties? Border spacing, it sets the space between borders. Caption side, it specifies the location of the caption. Border collapse, it decides whether the border should be join or collapse in a table. How can you specify the height and width of a table? This already have in book, so you can see it from there and write. Explain the border properties that can be already in book. You can write it from there. What is the using of padding property? It specifies the space between border and the content of the cell in which HTML tag is uses this property. It will be TD. Number 10. What is the use of empty cells property? Decide whether the empty cells of a table should be displayed or not. What is the different value? The different values are show, hide. What is the difference between cell spacing and cell padding? Cell spacing, it specifies the distance between two cells, and cell padding, it is the distance between the border and the content of the cell. Can you insert an image? Yes, we can insert an image in a document. If yes, how? For how you will write, we'll use img tag, and for example img src equal image.jpg, then close the bracket. You can give this in example for question number 12. So these are the some questions which may come in your HSLC board examination from chapter 3. In next video I'm going to discuss the questions of chapter 4. So keep scrolling. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.